Configuring users and roles. To configure users and roles in Axon Next, go to the Permissions tab. A role lets you assign a group of users individual rights and permissions for administration, management, and/or monitoring of individual components of Axon Next. By default, the system has one role, admin, and one user, root. The system also has an unassigned group that includes users who do not belong to any role. Administrators have permissions to configure all components of the video management system. To create a new role, click the Create link in the bottom of the Admin Role Unassigned tree, or open the context menu for the Admin Role or Unassigned group and select Add Role. Then configure the permissions for the role. You can limit access by users with that role to the following functions: editing custom layouts, minimizing the client to the system tray, system log, managing the Axon domain, exporting frames and video recordings. You can also limit access to the Alarms and Layouts tabs, as well as each of the tabs under Settings. Then set the rights for accessing devices. Different levels of access to a video camera are possible. The no access level is self-explanatory. At the monitoring in armed mode level, viewing live video is possible only when the video camera is armed. The archived video footage cannot be viewed. At the monitoring level, live video from the camera can be viewed whether armed or disarmed, and the archive cannot be viewed. The monitoring and archive level adds permission for viewing the archive recordings. With monitoring archive armed mode, all video surveillance functions are available. This is the only access level that allows arming and disarming a camera. Access levels for microphones include the no access level, which is self-explanatory. At the live audio level, video camera audio can be listened to live. Live audio and archive adds the ability to listen to audio in the archive. Telemetry has two access levels, no access and control. At the control level, the user can control the PTZ device. Then set a name for the role if necessary, and save changes by clicking the Apply button. To create a user, select the role to which the user will belong and click the corresponding Create link, or in the context menu, select Add User. If necessary, click the down arrow to enter comments about the user's email address, and set the name and password. If you do not set a password, the password field will be blank. To save the user, click the Apply button. The user is added to the system and has the rights that are determined by the user's role. Configuration of users and roles is now complete.